Hey everyone, welcome back to the MegaBuilds Pro. Construction at the Camp Nou is moving full speed across the stadium, with new escalators being installed and ceramic slats advancing on the lateral side. Major structural work continues in Gol Sur and Gol Norte, showing the stadium taking shape every day. Let's take a look at all the latest progress today. The biggest update today is the arrival of new escalators. 2 new escalators were delivered, and one of them has already been installed here, matching the one placed about 2 weeks ago on the left side. Another escalator was positioned higher up and is very likely already installed as well. This is excellent progress for the Tribuna area. Despite tomorrow's match, the site remains active. We can see lifting platforms, workers at different levels, and continuous movement across the stadium. Work hasn't stopped, just reduced compared to a normal day. At the shop diamond area, all lateral supports are now installed. Some block sections still need to be completed, but a large amount of insulation and ventilation material has arrived. This confirms that work on the diamond structure is moving forward. Cranes also appear ready to handle new roof components soon. More elements related to the compression ring have arrived on site. These works are approaching fast, although they are difficult to observe from ground level. From higher viewpoints in future updates, this phase will be much clearer. Inside the stadium, another escalator has been installed and is now visible behind the trusses and scaffolding. Moving toward Gol Sur, structural preparation continues. Work on beams and slabs is progressing, and the first support elements for the slatted ceilings are already visible. This confirms that this area is being prepared for the next construction phase. The most noticeable progress is happening in the lateral area. Ceramic slats are being installed steadily, with several lifting platforms and cranes working at the same time. Since yesterday, multiple new slats have been placed, showing clear daily progress. A small gap has been left, likely to allow painting of the block wall behind before installation continues. At the north corner, unexpected concrete breaking and debris removal were observed. This was not anticipated and likely indicates adjustments or preparation for upcoming construction phases. The park ramp area is now fully reinforced and formworked. Everything is ready for concrete pouring, which should take place very soon. This marks an important milestone for external access works. Gol Norte now offers a much more open view. Structural works on pillars and slabs continue, and all supports for future slats are prepared. Additional large components related to the compression ring have also been placed in this area. Earlier today, a Barca staff member mentioned that by January, Gol Norte is expected to be open, allowing the stadium to host around 60,000 spectators. This aligns perfectly with the visible progress in this section. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates, only here on MegaBuilds Pro.